So the very first trick is to disabling the startup programs. To do that, we have to go to Task Manager, but there's a shortcut for that. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape and click on Startup and disable all the programs that are enabled here. As you can see, none of it is enabled. If you see, I enable this, click on this and click on disable, so it will disable. Do this to all that are enabled, not disabled. Do this to all that are enabled. So yeah, moving on to the next tip or trick, you can say, is called changing the page file size. To do that, we have to go to here and type in performance, and you can see adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. Go to that and click on advanced. Here click on virtual memory change, and the initial size will be 100. You have to do it 1500, and maximum size will be 3000. Will to do it 5000. Click on set and then you have to click on OK and click on OK. So yeah, moving on to the next trick. The next trick is disabling or adjusting the animation of Windows. To do that, you have to run and type in there system.cpl sysdm.cpl and click on OK and click on advanced and click on settings, and you have to click on adjust for best performance. To it will automatically adjust for the best performance of animations, and you have to after that you have to click on apply and click on OK. So moving on to the next trick. The next trick is updating drivers. So to do that, you have to click on run and type in dev mgmt dot msc. Type in that and click on OK, and it will open device manager. You can go into processor and click on right click on here and click on update driver, and to click on search automatically for drivers, and the best drivers for your device are already installed. So I already installed the best drivers, and okay, I will do my graphic card update driver. So the best drivers already installed. I have installed the best drivers, and remember that after doing this you have to restart your PC. To I am not going to do that obviously, so you have to restart your PC. Okay, the last tip is disabling Windows 10 tips. To do that is to here go to settings, go to system, and go to notification and actions, and here to uncheck this box, get tips tricks and suggestion as you use Windows. You have to uncheck it, and there you go. Your Windows 10 performance will be boosted like never before, and I will shortly make videos on Windows 10 because I have a whole lot of series of Windows 10. I will give the link right up there or in the description, whatever. So yeah, this was it.